So in this video, you'll learn how to reset all settings on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So if you want to take all the settings on your phone back to their default status, whether it's the screen timeout period or the edge panels, then this is what you need to do. Simply open the settings app, then scroll and select General Management. Next, look for Reset and tap on it, and then scroll down until you find this option, Reset All Settings. Tap on it. You'll see a list of information that shows you what exactly is not going to be reset during this process. So this includes your security settings, your language settings, your accounts, your personal data, and any settings for downloaded apps. So all of this will not be touched during this process. So again, if you're ready to continue with the process, just tap on Reset Settings, confirm by entering in your current PIN, password, or pattern. Then select Reset and wait for the process to complete itself. You'll be taken through a restart process once it finishes during the reset. This is so that all the changes can be applied onto your phone. And then once it's finished restarting, you'll now notice that everything has gone back to its default format from when you first purchased the phone. So for example, the screen timeout period, if you had increased it, it'll go back to its default of 30 seconds. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.